Hi, how many?
How many what?
How many people for your table?
Oh.
Are you ready?
Ready for what?
Ready to order?
Oh. I would like a burger, please.
Okay, and how would you like your burger done?
Good.
Okay, so well done.
Delicious.
Okay. Okay, is this together?
Is what together?
Are you paying together?
Oh, I pay, she pay.
Okay, so paying separately?
Yes.
So Gabby, as a native Spanish speaker, do you ever have difficulties or feel nervous when you have to go to a restaurant and speak in English?
Yes, it's difficult because it's difficult to understand the waitress, the accent, the words.
I know when I moved to Spain, I was really nervous going to restaurants. I was thinking, what if they don't understand me? What if I order the wrong thing or I don't know what I'm ordering? So I completely understand. Now we're going to talk about some vocabulary that can be really useful for when you're ordering in a restaurant. And if you're new here to Breathe English, we would love for you to subscribe. Click the like button, that's the thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. I'm getting hungry.
Do you want to stay in, order something, or eat out?
I could eat out.
What do you feel like eating?
I feel like maybe Mexican or Italian.
I just said Mexican the other night, but I could do Italian.
Okay, well, let's see what restaurants are nearby. Ooh, this one looks nice.
Cool, does it have good reviews?
It has 4.5 stars.
In English, we say, I'm getting hungry, and that means that you will soon be hungry, and you should start thinking about a plan for something to eat. To stay in, or cook something, or eat in all means that you are staying in your house and you are eating food from your refrigerator. You are not getting food from outside. Also, if you want food from a restaurant but you want to eat in your house, you can either get takeaway or pickup, and that is when you go to the restaurant to get the food to bring to your house, or you can have delivery where they bring the food to your house. Or if you would like to go eat at a restaurant, you can say eat out or go out. So let's go out for dinner means let's go eat at a restaurant. Sounds good to me. Do you think we need a reservation?
I'll call and ask.
Hello.
Hello, do you take reservations?
Yes, we do. For how many?
For 2 people at 7 p.m.?
We are all booked at 7, but we can squeeze you in at 7:30.
Yeah, 7:30 works.
Okay, can I get a name?
Yeah, you can make it under Sam.
Okay, Sam, we have you booked for a party of 2 at 7:30. We'll see you then.
Okay, sounds great. Thank you so much. So if you want to reserve in a restaurant, the way you ask if they take reservations is you're asking, can I make a reservation with you? So they either take a reservation or they don't take reservations. And they're going to want to know how many people. They can also ask you a table for how many? They might tell you when you're making a reservation that they are completely booked, which means there's no space and you cannot make a reservation. But if you're lucky, they can say, we can squeeze you in, which means it's a very popular restaurant maybe, and it's a full night. So you are getting a table, just barely. Hi, we have a reservation under Sam for 7:30.
Party of 2?
Yep.
It's going to be another 5 minutes. We'll call you when the table is ready.
Okay. Can we just wait over there?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Sam, party of 2. Your table is ready. This way, please.
So when you make a reservation, we say make a reservation under and then your name. So I need to make a reservation for 2 under Erica. And then when you're waiting for your table, the host, so the person getting you your table, they might say, we'll call you when your table is ready. And that does not mean they're gonna call you on the phone. That means they're going to say your name. So they might say, Erica, your table. So I need to be listening for when my table is called.
Welcome. Can I get you something to drink to start?
I'll have water with no ice, please.
Okay.
And I'll have a beer.
Okay. Be right back with that. Okay. Here are your drinks.
Thank you.
Would you like to start with some appetizers?
Yes, we will have the bruschetta.
Okay.
And I think we're ready to order our entrees as well.
Okay.
So the waiter, when they ask you what you would like to eat, a lot of times will ask, what can I get you? And this means, what can I bring you? Or what would you like to order? And as a response to order, you have a lot of options. You can say, I would like a pizza. I'll have a salad. Or sometimes people even say, I'm gonna do a lasagna. I'm gonna do the lasagna. I don't know why we say this, but it's a very informal way to order in a restaurant.
Okay, here's the bruschetta for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh wait, there's no olive oil. Excuse me.
Yeah,
Could we have some olive oil?
absolutely.
Thank you.
Excuse me. I dropped my fork on the floor. Would you mind bringing a clean one?
Okay, here we go.
Thank you so much. Wow, you've got a lot on your plate.
I know, work has been so stressful. They just keep giving me more and more projects.
No, I mean literally, there's a lot of food on your plate.
Oh, yeah, that too. Well, it's a good thing because I'm starving.
Ugh, me too.
Let's eat.
Let's dig in. Sometimes at a restaurant, you need to ask for extra things, like an extra fork. And in English, if you want to ask for something in a very polite way, you can use modal verbs. So instead of can I have, you could say, could I please have? Or would you be able to bring me olive oil? Will you bring us another bottle of wine? The idiom to have a lot on your plate just means you're very busy and you have a lot of different responsibilities to the point where you might feel stressed that it's so much. It's a lot on your plate.
Everything is okay?
Yeah, can we get the check, please?
Yeah. Will this be together or separate?
Together. I'll get it.
No. This is on me.
No, it's my treat.
I told you I wanted to get it.
You got it last time. It's my turn.
No, I insist.
We'll be paying separately.
Okay.
And then finally, when it's time to pay the bill, there are a lot of different ways you can talk about it. You can say, I'll get it, or I've got it, which means you are going to pay. If you treat someone, or if you say, this is my treat, that also means that you are going to pay. If you say, it's on me, that also means you are going to pay. They all mean I am going to pay.
Man, Sam, I am stuffed.
Ooh, I know, I am so full.
That was some delicious food. Thank you so much for joining us.
Have you ever ordered at a restaurant in English? How did it go? Was there any misunderstanding?
Write about it in the comments below. Thank you again for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.
Bye.